2, 1, bang! Ripper day to go to the tower. Yeah! So we're going away in a few days and we thought, heck, we don't have a video for this week, so we got to film one. And the weather is absolutely toilet. So, yabadoo. Fuel lights on.
And getting low, the needle is down.
Yeah, good work, Stanford.
Give us a push, go on, son.
Yes, yeah. 200 kilo Nigel's out.
Fresh paint job on Nigel.
Wow. It's good to have him back in the vid.
It's great. You're big today.
What's happening? So this is the big boy.
Yeah, Fridge.
Very excited about that.
I love it. It's every boy's dream to drop something like that on something.
Yeah,
like
we're going to call Nigel the cannonball today.
Yeah, line up. we got a game which involves basketballs.
Yeah.
Find out about that.
Plastic TV, it's a biggie too.
Oh yeah.
Like 65 inches of the best.
Yep. And they got colour in them. Have a look, Brett.
Oh, green, blue and red.
So imagine that stacked up. It's going to be amazing. More doors on the horizon.
Yeah.
So
and the pool. Don't forget the pool is going to be a splash.
What about pooling?
So yeah, we're going to play a game where Editor Jack drops Nigel. We're all going to have a basketball, see if you can throw it and get it popped on the ground. Winner gets to pick who drops, as always. And today that's very good because up there is bad times today.
Very bad. Storm and Norman.
Now Stanford, we haven't seen any flashes of lightning yet.
Hey, don't rule them out, mate.
But can I just say, we saw one on the way here. If you know what I mean.
I do know, and so do the traffic police.
Oh, that's thunder, Gonson.
Maybe we'll see flashes today.
That is flipping dark over your shoulder.
How is it up there, Jack? Say that again? Dude, it's so windy, I can't even hear you.
Staff! The thunder's here.
The boys are back in town, they're not, they're at Chin, yeah!
Alright, Jack, we are ready. Give us the countdown to few.
We're going big! Quick, Jack! Quick!
3, 2, 1.
Oh, here he comes! Get the AX! AX! Woo! Big.
What the heck happened?
Well, that Mordor cloud turned into rain.
No, I don't care about that. What happened with the balls? Because yours got popped.
I won again. Let's just remember that.
I want to know what happened to my ball. It got sent like 20 meters skywards and back over.
Do you want to watch the footage?
Oh, mine got hit into the ground. Mine got hit.
It went so high.
My ball ends up back in the bushes. Guys, Editor Jack's still out there somewhere. I think. Do you reckon he's just bunkered down? Jack! Oh! Shivers. Brick! I can feel that in my legs. I felt that. Jack, get in here! Right, here comes Jack! Other side, other side. Get in here, Jack!
I reckon we just got hit with this one, Scott. Reckon? Well, that was wild. On with the video. And I get to pick who's going up the top. Boys, I'm going to let you rock off for who's going up the top. But the winner of the rock off goes up.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
I lost, so I win! But it's opposite day, so I win!
Bye-bye. You're happy about that, aren't you?
Oh, I'm pumped. Do you want to come find my ball with me, Stanford?
Right, Greeny! There it is! That fire's gone.
That went so high. I don't know if any of our cameras captured it, but that was a huge, huge rocket. On the plus side, Derek, our pool's probably a bit more full. That's good.
Yes.
That is impressive.
Like many.
Did I middle that or did I middle that?
How many layers are you going?
Get that up for us.
Yeah.
I feel like Santa Claus.
That's the triple hoodie.
Are you gonna be able to pull the rope? Hey!
We're going to the pool first. Come on. Come on. Tell you what. That's like Moses-esque. I'm happy with that, Heron. That looks beautiful.
Are you good to go yet or what, Gonson?
Looking pretty good up here.
Beauty. Well, we're in the eye of the storm, it seems, so let's get rolling.
Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Hang on.
Did you pull the pin?
Alrighty, take 2, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boy. Bang! That looked so cool.
We were perfectly out of range.
Yes, Aaron.
That's flipping good. That was so vertical. Is the pool going to be alright under there?
No.
Surely not.
GoPro, good.
Yeah, just in a pool of blood.
Only thing left to say, Heron, is let's watch that slowie.
That was a perfect drop. Good pull positioning from the team. Let's move on to the old water coolers, eh? I think they're up next.
I put Gaunson on the spot last week, but can you do a contest?
It's a pretty simple one this week, Stanford.
Okay.
It's personal to me.
Okay.
It might have even popped up in the video somewhere. What colour are Heron's jocks this week? What colour? And the brand. And the brand.
There we go. If you're the first one to guess it.
Nah, I can say it's straight through.
Definite hole.
Oh, I forgot to say, we got a little merchy sale going on for the next 100 hours. If you buy one item from the store, you get 10% off. If you buy 2, we're gonna lure you in with 25% off your whole basket, case, through the counter thing. On the web, you get it, 25% off the whole thing. You wanna just dip your foot in, get some merch, now's your time. I reckon it's actually a pretty decent deal.
Yeah, that's good, Heron.
Stafford!
Yeah, mate, what's up?
The whole damn shell's breaking off!
Yeah, that's good from you. Do you think it's going to break all 3?
Stanford, yes. Yes, I do.
Gaunson, we're good, mate, when you are.
Alrighty, safety's off!
Old Harry Hyacinth, the protector of the boys.
3, 2, 1. Come on, Nigel!
Yes! How good were the colours?
Yes! Worked perfectly! That's a good day, Stanford!
Anything to really say here? Food colouring galore.
Blue.
Oh, was that blue, was it?
Unconfirmed. Red is dead.
He's bleeding out, man. Yeah, that was sweet. Let's watch that slowie. What's in next? TV.
TV and then Friggy.
Easy, Heron.
Keep going, big boy. I'm excited for this TV. I think it's going to be quite the smash.
Whoa, I nearly went off the tower. Yeah, no, it's not a good long-term investment, this. Whoa!
Scotty, mate, how are you looking?
Hey, looking good!
Yeah, we're
We're
good,
on.
mate. We're ready to go. Drop when ready.
3, 2, 1. Woohoo!
I see layers. Let's get down there, Stanford.
Somehow he's been hit on the back.
Yeah, I mean, like, he's just caught a sliver here.
Like, he was flat out vert, wasn't he?
Yeah.
How are you flat out vert and get one on the tuchus?
How lucky is the GoPro?
Gee, he's been missed by a whisker. Tell you what, it's a widescreen TV now.
Alrighty everyone, the old fridge, last item, it's here. Should go off like a bit of a bang. Actually not a bang, more like a, yeah, that's more like it. Get the bell on everyone!
I know you got a little back. Neon pink, yes!
Fluoro blue, how good?
We do love our simple cleanup. Heron,
It's potentially a bit rash.
that was very rash.
Got excited. It's going in though. I'm all about more is more.
Yeah.
I reckon this is gonna be about here.
Alright, well let's send up old Nigel.
Nigel, get
Let's
out of
find
here.
out.
Weather's flipping coming quick. Just gonna be clinical here. One drop. Let's see what it does to a fridge. Flip me, the rain is coming, eh? Can you see that? It's heading like...
Flipping big, Gaunson, we are getting in position and then we'll be ready, mate.
We've got low battery on the GoPro. No, hold on.
All right, Gaunson, we are good. We need to drop this ball now.
Let's go.
He needs to go!
Go.
Alrighty, safety's out.
We need to go now!
Go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, bang.
Here we go. Big Southwest effort. Yeah. Bridge is gone.
Oh, the wind is hit! It's friggin' so hectic!
Middle of the fridge. How good?
Stuff fake cameras, rain, it's all happening, folks.
The rain's here. We gotta go.
Yo, you go Kronos, just get out.
Freak, I gotta run. Flipping wild. Ho!
Here comes Gaunson back from the trenches!
So hectic up there.
Flipping everybody was on the move.
It came in so quick at the end.
There's a lot of pinkies. A red. Oh,
Yeah.
that's deep red. The ball's rolled too.
It was a big noise. That was epic. Freezer door gone, normal door gone, everything else cooked. Merch sale, Gaunson?
Yeah, buy 225, that's my advice. I
Very
reckon.
good, yeah, it's worth it, isn't it?
100 hours, boys, we're not gonna know.
Very good. I'm just going to plug memberships, guys, behind the scenes of our videos. Bonus video every week, link in the description if you want to jump on board. Give it a go, try it out.
Heron's gonna plug his jocks because that was the contest. What brand and what colour?
We've packed up as you can see, but just when we thought this video couldn't get any more what the heck, we ran out of fuel. You know when you think, nah, we'll just be able to make it, and then you don't? Yeah, that's what happened. And the boys are on Instagram Live, we're trying to drum up some fuel.
Yeah, we're at the 45 metre tower run out of fuel. Anyone in Gin Gin? Come save us.
Diesel!
We need diesel.
What's
Diesel.
with the bum flap on Gauntson's face?
Fuel is in, the Instagram Live has worked. These legends, they literally picked up the diesel, drove 40 minutes and came and saved us.
So good.
So we're very appreciative. Thanks very much, guys.
No worries, guys.
Amazing. And we get to go home, Gaunson. Yes!